Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to know about pronunciation of the. Generally, when we listen some speeches, when we read books, sometimes we confuse the pronunciation of the as the or the. So, where actually we have to pronounce it as the, where we have to pronounce it as the. Let's know more about it. Pronunciation of the as the or the. And you know very well, a and the, these are articles, and these articles mainly two types, indefinite and definite. And these indefinite definite articles, whenever it is indefinite article, you know alphabet mainly divided into two types, vowels and consonants. Indefinite articles a or an, they refer one, a book, which means one book. Likewise, an apple, one apple. Remember that a or an used commonly to indicate any one object, one person or one thing. So a an indefinite article, we use it whenever we frame any word before the vowel sound. If the word it is vowel sound, before the vowel sound words we use an eagle, an orange, which means of one eagle, one orange. When we frame the word, if that word pronouncing consonant sound, before them we have to take a pen, a cat. Remember, whether it is a or an, it indicates one, number one book, one cat, like one pen, likewise. And definite article the. Comparing the indefinite article, we use definite article the somewhat of differently. It indicates always particularity. Suppose when I say a sentence, I met a doctor, I met the doctor. There is a difference in them. I met a doctor means one of the doctor. And second case, I met the doctor, which means of I know about the doctor or you know about the doctor. We both of us know about the doctor. Means second sentence indicates some particularity about the doctor whom I met. Here, definite article the, it is used with a particularity, like before the names of mountains, before the names of rivers, before the names of oceans. We have some of them. So there we will use definite article the. Likewise, here indefinite article before the vowels and before the consonants a. What about the definite article then? Definite article to used before the vowel sounds as well as consonantal sounds. But when we use them before the vowels, before the consonants, it changes its pronunciation. So we can use definite article the before the vowels and consonants. But to be remembered that when we use with the vowels and consonants, it differs the pronunciation. Pronunciation changes. Let's see how. When we use the with the vowel sounds, it is to be pronounced as the. See that? Earth, Indian Ocean, orange. Earth, the earth. The here to be pronounced as the, and the Indian Ocean, the orange, which means whenever we take the, and if the sound, if the word is sounding in vowel way, we have to pronounce it as the. And before the consonant sounds, we have to pronounce it as the. Example, flag, banana, European, man. Flag, which means consonantal sound, the flag, the banana, the European. Here European actually starts with E, which we all believe that it is a vowel sound, but even though it starts with E, we pronounce it like yeah, European, consonant sound. That's why we have to consider as a consonantal sound, the man. So here we understood that before the vowel pronunciation, that is the, and before the consonant pronunciation, it is the. Though we learn it perfectly, but in times we confuse again whether it is the or the before the consonant or the vowel. Here I give you a small clue, a tip, a trick to remember very perfectly that it is before V and before vowels, before consonants. Likewise, the V here, before V stands for vowels here. This V stands for vowels. Before the vowels, we have to pronounce it as the. So remember it as divi, divi. V stands for vowels. The is a sound of the as the. And the same consonants the. Ka, the. Ka stands for consonants the. Kada. It means consonants before we have to pronounce it as the. If you remember these two words easily, you can remember that and you cannot confuse that. Divi, kada is one of the trick that you can remember without any confusion whether the is pronounced as the or the. We have an exemption here. That case is actually called emphatic D. What is this emphatic D? When we refer the names of some people, when we refer some brand names, when we refer some company names, to specify the company name, like it is not like all other companies, or it is not like all other names, they will emphasize the name of the person, name of the thing, name of the brand. In these cases, even though that word starts with the consonants, we have to pronounce it as like the, not the. Even they wanted to tell you that it is not like all other names, it is a specified, it is a genuine one. Because when there are many names, to specify, to show that it is a genuine one, not fake one, they use the definite article THE before their shop name, or before their brand name, before their company name, but they pronounce it as the. Because in this kind of case is actually called as emphatic the. So we pronounce as the before the consonant sounds too. Friends, see the example, the President of India. Suppose one of them said, I saw yesterday the President of India. You are expressed in a emphatic way that the President of India. Here we say the President of India. President starts with P, it's a consonantal sound. We have to say the President, but we are emphasizing that person. That's why we have to pronounce here the President of India. And Rose Garden, the Rose Garden. When I highlight, when I emphasize this garden, I have to say, even though it is starting with consonant, I have to pronounce as the, but I am saying here the. It means I am emphasizing this rose garden. So you have to say the Rose Garden. And we will see sometimes before the, like I said, the shopping malls, Chennai shopping mall. Chennai, CHE, see, it's a consonantal sound actually, but actually we have to say the Chennai shopping mall, but they say the Chennai shopping mall. The reason is that they are emphasizing their brand name. So the Chennai shopping mall is right. Let's revise very quickly. A and the articles, A and indefinite articles. We can use an before the vowels, A before the consonants, and the definite article we use it for the particularity. We use the for the vowels and consonants. When we use it before the vowels, we have to pronounce it as the, and when we use before the consonants, we have to pronounce it as the. To remember it very easily, remember the word the, vi, ka, da. The, vi, and we have exceptional case, emphatic. In this case, even though the word starts with the consonants, we have to pronounce THE as the, because they are emphasizing their name. They are saying about, they are specifying their name. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.